At a press conference held on the 21st of November 2022, the Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association, or the MAASA, through its president Desmond Nongkhlaw, had announced the Open Paragliding Championship and Asian League Qualification, which will be held from the 7th to the 10th of December 2022 in the state of Meghalaya.
Looking forward from the state government, then from the tourism department. So we have received, as of now, what we had spoken to the government is they have given us 25 lakhs, but we are in talks with the government to increase the funding so that we can do better for them. Actually, we are doing trainings for the youths also right now, and the training has been sponsored by MSSDS, Skills Development Department. There are 30 students right now training at Madan Rappling, and these youths will prepare themselves in a matter of 2-3 years so that they can also go for competitions, and through this kind of training they can set up their own livelihoods in the respective areas where they can earn. Since this is a project which we promote not only sports but it promotes tourism, so by we have done a lot of recce's in different districts of Meghalaya, Janjay Hills, then West Khasi Hills, then East Khasi Hills, we have seen that Meghalaya has a capacity to do a lot of paragliding activities.